you know what is making money online? Do not worry if you have no knowledge about it. I will explain you some of the steps to make you understand about making money online. In simple words, making money online is the way of earning money through online. Nowadays, online business are very famous throughout the world. You can buy and sell everything in online. Most of the people are not going to any shops to sell or buy. They are ordering everything online and they are getting their needs through home delivery. So all over the world, even shopping is done through online. I hope now you can understand why you can make huge amount of profit from online business. The internet has tons of opportunities available for the people who are looking to earn money online. But the thing is, there is no proper guidance for them to teach right from the beginning. Do not worry, I will explain you each and everything. Many people want to make some extra income by working either online or offline to manage their family's monthly budget financially. So, online business is the way to manage their budget financially. You can earn more by doing online business. You can do online business from home and you don't want to spend all the time with your online business. You can spend your free time to do it. Like other business, you don't want to move here and there. You can earn it by sitting in one place. So you will not get tired. You can sit calm and make money online. I hope now you got some idea about the benefits and the importance in making money in online. In the next lecture, I will discuss with you about different types of online business. Now let's move to the next lecture.